Hello everyone, welcome to TryRide, the new era of learning. Myself Rafiq. Today in this video we discuss about artificial intelligence, ethical issues and solutions. Okay, so for the general purpose, we all know about the artificial intelligence, right? So artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and solve the problems like human, right? AI can do anything, right? AI systems can understand the natural languages, recognize patterns, and identify the image classifications, make decisions, learn from the past experience. So, learn from the experience, sorry. Okay. So, in this video, we discuss about what is artificial intelligence, ethics in field of AI, ethical issues in the field of AI, how can we help, how would you use AI? Okay. So, the first, what is an artificial intelligence? So, we all discussed now. Artificial intelligence is the use of computer system, simulation, human mental process, such as interpreting and general languages. That we all discussed about. So, we all know about the what is AI. So, examples of artificial intelligence. Let's go the step by step. So, we use chatbots, smart assistants, e-payments, such algorithms, media streaming, smart cars, navigation apps, facial recognition, text editors, social media fields, right? So, for the chatbots, we most prefer AI chatbots for customer service bots, right? And smart assistants for Alexa, Siri, like we have Alexa, Siri, it is a voice okay, based, if we can say the AI assistants. So e-payments we use mostly for fraud detections, personalization, offers like that. So, and where such algorithms help in Google search engines and AI search engines, OpenAI, like the search engines we using, no? So like that. So media streaming is nothing but recommendation of Netflix, YouTube, like that. Netflix, YouTube, Hotstar, Disney Hotstar, like that. Okay. So smart cars like self-driving technologies, we all know that. Navigation apps, Google Maps using AI to optimize the routes, and facial recognition for unlocking our phones, security devices which we use. So text editor for the glamour or check or writing tools, right? And social media fields like personalized contents like promoting ads for promoting business like that. So more about AI. Artificial intelligence is a groundbreaking field that seeks to the imbued machines with the capability to mimic humans' intelligence, enabling them to perform tasks, make decisions, and learn from the data. It applications span a wide spectrum from the healthcare and the finance to transport and entertainment revolution. Right? So we will live and work. Like now we are currently living in a generation like all the works get easy like by using AI, right? So at the time of before or 5 6 years, we used to take a lot of time to present any documentation, to present any uh, material to someone, to present any presentation or document to the someone, okay, or projects or anything, websites to building. So where it comes of AI, it gets easier to build websites and documentations and whatever, whatnot. If you have any uh, front end work which designs by AI, you have back end work, it also handles the back end work. It guides us like a assistant. We have the AI assistants too, like it gets easier to handle the AI, right? So now ethics of AI field. So ethics of AI field nothing but however the rapid proliferation of AI has brought forth a host of ethics. Okay. Concern that intersect with professional ethics across various. So, according to the artificial intelligence, it that refers the moral principle of the values like that guides the development on uses of AI techniques. Concern includes base in like we use the base in algorithms, right? Bias in algorithm means AI may uh, reflect the database leading to the unfair outcomes, and it gives the privacy AI systems that process large amount of personal data, rise privacy concern. And job automation like AI might replace human jobs, leading to the unemployment. And accountability, like who is responsible when AI makes mistakes, like that. Okay. So the text is for the potential of the bias algorithm, the automation of the jobs and concept about the privacy, the ethical considerations surrounding AI. Or so it is imperative that includes an original, like we said that a set of guiding principles that uphold ethics standard, right? So AI ethics are not just technical concepts; they involve sociality and personalization, professionals, and legal responsibilities too. Okay, so ethical issues in the field of AI, like from algorithm bias and privacy violations to question of accountability and autonomy. Autonomy. That ethical dimensions of AI are increasingly profound and multifaceted. This exploration delves into a intricate webs of ethics issues, right? So surrounding artificial intelligence, like we can say that instead of that, we can think like that. So the builds of the privacy slides or could include like discriminations, lack of transparency, surveillance, misuse, like manipulations, like we can say discrimination in facial recognition being incorrected in some groups, like views, some where it get in wrong hands, you use it by if it did reach in wrong hands, so nowhere who the responsibility for that mistaken. Okay, so lack of transparency means we use black box model how to interpret it. And for surveillance missiles, AI being used to track and monitor the people. Manipulation means AI generated the fake contents or misinformations, like nowadays we are saying deepfaking, which consider with mostly doing on celebrities, like famous persons. So it is on a propaganda of to it is illegal, right? So we do not check the others privacy. Okay, if someone concerns your privacy, it means uh it little bit hurts to you, right? You're unaccepted, you did not accept to someone see your privacy, like that everyone has some the ethic. So ethical problems of the part. So for ethical problems, AI can pose like bias and fairness. A system can inherit the bias present in the training data, leading to discrimination against different groups, like ensuring the fairness in AI decision making. Significant challenges. It uses privacy problems, like it uses AI techniques, especially in surveillance and data analysis, can infringe upon the individual privacy rights. Strike a balance between the security and personal privacy is crucial, right? So we have everyone data has gathered in AI, right? So whoever using the AI, we have say a little bit of data. So we are nowadays we are seeing in social media, AI is rapidly growing, like it's behaving like an humans, right? So accountability, it is a determination who is responsible when AI system make errors or harmful decisions is often unclear. Like we can say, accountability is the one of the craziest thing to handle with AI, because it deals properly. But whenever the misguided by someone, like who we did not say what will do AI can do, right? So if you want to accountability is to maintain the whole the certain value of the industry, right? Some value of the service or product or company. So if they may get any, if it is get in the wrong hand, the accountability of the value will be misused by someone, right? So there are some problems with the ethicals of AI. So that's why we use to rise our policy. So understand why they make certain decisions. The lack of transparency can under trust, like so this overweighs the ethical problems of AI can pose, right? So more ethical problems that AI can pose, like security risk, ethics in research, ethics in element, and industrial properties and open source, right? So most of the security risks we have the cyber attacks and potential of our AI generates misinformation pose security risk, right? We have the more than threats for that. Okay, So ethics in research, like ethical considerations, extend to the very research and the development of AI, including issues related to data collection, right? So ethical element like AI researchers and engineers often the faces like whether to align their work to ethical principles. We have so many challenges to face, like uh, if the consent of the how can we help, right? So how can we help? So in that we want to understand properly AI, we want to study the proper AI, right? So the slides encourage taking proactivity steps like educating ourselves and others about what AI impacts, right? College students and facilities, sorry, faculties can promote ethical AI by integrating ethics into the curriculum, organizing events, right? Uh, Foresting a culture of responsible of AI, right? Development. So in the venues, promoting fairness and transparency in AI projects, supporting legalization that ensures the responsibility AI uses, advocating of in situ data development practice. So we all know we help like that we teach we only guide first we guide ourselves to how we use AI and how we can develop with the AI, right? So how would you use AI? Like we use for automation, like we use automate representative tasks, analyze the large data sets for the trend, improves the healthcare diagnostic, and create smart visual assistants like AI, like the Siri, like that, enhance the accessibility. Okay, so we can say like that. And this all about the ethics of AI. So usually we can say it is get a little bit of impact on ourselves because we all know to use how the ethics, like we have some ethical principles also in AI. So, what is that? The ethical of AI refers the moral values. We also said that principles to guide developments, like uses the impact of AI systems has becomes more powerful and widely used, right? So, in that we have fairness and non-discrimination, transparency, privacy and data protection, accountability, safety and reliability. We have human control. We want so why are AI ethics important? Like AI has a powerful influence millions of lives, right? Good or bad, like that. So unethical AI can cause harms such as racial profiling, spreading misinformation or misguidance of someone's or job loss. So ethical ensures that AI is building a benefit society, not just business or government, right? So real world example for the ethical concepts like financial recognition, AI hiring systems, AI in healthcare diagnosis, defects and fake news as we are spreading situation we are facing current now, and risk management is more risky than error without explanation, spreading misinformation and gender or caste discrimination, privacy, like a lot of ethic issues we have with the AI. So how can we promote that? So means we use to first use the diverse and like institute data sets like set clear ethical guidelines in AI development, right? So regulate adults and monitor AI systems regularly edit and monitor AI systems and involves humans in decision making loops, right? Educate the uh, educate properly to develop an AI and retrace. It takes the responsibility like that. So we consider like this of the ethics of the AI. So this all about this the topic of ethics, ethicals of AI. So I hope you guys you will you get understand about the what is ethics of AI. Thank you.